Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off high contrast font shortcut in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. We made a shortcut, or someone made it, and we want to turn it off. As you can see, by tapping this little accessibility access button in bottom right, we can change our font contrast. To turn this function off, we will go to settings, then in accessibility menu we have visibility enhancements and high contrast fonts. In here we have high contrast fonts shortcut. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this little box, and now our shortcut disappeared. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.